Hello, this is Michael Reid from Premier Martial Arts in Marietta, Georgia, and the AQIS Academy of Qigong and Internal Studies. I want to welcome you guys to 2019, and we are kicking things off the right way. This coming Saturday at 10:30 a.m., we have a Kid-Safe workshop for youth, kids ages 5 to 12. We also, at 12:30 p.m., have a free Tai Chi and Qigong Workshop to improve everyone's health. We know that with the new year comes resolutions and comes an opportunity for people to want to improve themselves. And so with that comes the big diet phase. But what I want you guys to all understand is no matter what the process that you're using, when it comes to eating, the very, very important thing is that your brain, okay, your mind, all right, it wants and requires and needs nutrients. So if you would like to be successful with your weight loss, weight change, then the first thing you do is eat nutrient-dense food. If you eat nutrient-dense food, no matter what your other program is, then you will have a lot of success as your brain will be satisfied and your body can then go about its process, okay? The other thing I'm gonna suggest for you guys is do some type of breathing and meditation, even if it's only 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 30 seconds every day. Why? Because you can go a while without food, you can go longer than you think without water, but you certainly can't go very long without what? Air, okay? So with that being said, Happy New Year to you guys. We look forward to seeing you at our school this year, okay? And as I always say, aloha, terima kasih, and one love.